सो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट। एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट जो कि बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द सेगमेंट, जो कि हमारा जो सेक्टर रहेगा। हियर इट्स आवर सेंटर पॉइंट दैट इज O. वी आर टेकिंग, यहाँ पे आएगा P और यहाँ पे आएगा Q, राइट। सो हियर इट्स अ chord PQ, राइट। सो हियर इट्स अ पॉइंट X और यहाँ पे है पॉइंट Y, राइट। So we have to find out this region, the area of this region. So for this what we have to do, we are taken the theta here as usual in the earlier we are taking, right. So यहाँ पे theta रहेगा. If you want to find out this region, so first of all we have to find out the area of segment. First of all यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा area of segment, it's a PXQ, right, is equal to क्या रहेगा. First of all we have to find out this area of sector, right. Here it's a O, here it's a P, X point is here and here it's a Q, right. So we have to find out this. So then from this we have to minus this portion, right. So here it's angle theta. As we know that what is this, it's a area of sector OPXQ, right, minus area of triangle this OPQ, OP and Q, right. So for this, as we know that the area of sector PXQ is nothing but it's a theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OP and Q, right. So we are taken as an equation number 1. So in the given figure you can see here we have to draw a PT which is the perpendicular on segment OQ, having 90-degree angle. Here it's a point T, right. So that OP is nothing but it's a radius, clear. यहाँ पे हमारा T पॉइंट है जो कि आप देखोगे सेगमेंट PT which is perpendicular on radius OQ, clear. Now in triangle OT and P, right. As we know that here it's a theta angle. Theta angle is nothing but it's a, that is sine theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So therefore sine theta, we have the theta angle here and the opposite side is nothing but it's a PT. So sine theta equals to PT upon hypotenuse is nothing but it's a OP. So you can say that we don't know the value of PT, so we write as it is, but we know that the OP is nothing but it's a R. So therefore we get the value PT equals to, ये जो R नीचे है ये क्या हो जाएगा, इधर मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So sin theta equals to radius, clear. So this thing we get. So PT is nothing but it's a R sin theta. Why? Because the OP is nothing but it's a radius. So now the next step is that we have to find out this area. So area of triangle OPQ, right, it's a half into base into height, clear. So we have the half, base is nothing but it's a OQ, here it's a OQ, into height is nothing but it's a pt, as we know that the value of pt is the sin theta into or sin theta r. Clear? So we know that the value of OQ is r into r sin theta into 1 upon 2. Clear? So we get the value that is 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. Clear? That is area of triangle. Now we get the formula of area of segment, that is pxq is equal to, so from one equation, so theta upon 360 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sin theta equals to, we have the r square common, so we have taken the r square common, so remaining that it's a 360 theta upon 360 pi minus 1 upon 2 sin theta. Clear? That is the area of segment P, X and Q. In this way we have to find out the subsequent question and answers. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक सर्कल दिया है और इसके अंदर आपको दिखेगा एंगल है, इट्स 30 डिग्री, मेजर ऑफ एंगल AOB, राइट, एंड अलोंग विद द रेडियस इज द 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमको इसका एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट दैट इज द AXB वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, राइट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो गिवन है वो हम चीज़ें लिख लेते हैं. जो रेडियस है इट्स 12 सेंटीमीटर दिया है, एंगल AOB जो कि थीटा है इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री गिवन है. So we have to find out this area of segment, right? So as we know that we draw a straight line perpendicular on OB, AP which is the perpendicular on segment OB. So therefore first of all we have to find out the area of segment AXB, right, is equal to, we have to find out the first of all area of sector O AXB, right, minus area of triangle OAB, right. So first of all we have to find out this one. So area of sector O AXB equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Clear? So theta का वैल्यू हमारे पास है इट्स 30 अपॉन 360, पाई का वैल्यू गिवन है अर्लियर we have taken as a pi into value of r is nothing but it's a 12 into 12. Clear? So we get the value 0 0 cancel, 3 1 are 3, 3 12 are, so 12 and 12 get cancelled, so remaining is that pi into 12 centimeter square, right. This is the area of sector, or we can say that we can simplify as well in the further section. So after that we know that the area of triangle or area of triangle is nothing but, in the last time we have calculated that here it's a AOB half into, we have the base that is the radius is nothing but it's a, and height is nothing, AP is nothing but it's a r sin theta. Clear? As we know that it's a 1 upon 2, 12 into 12 and it's a sin 30. As we know that sin 30 is nothing but it's a 1 upon 2, 12 into 12, 1 upon 2, 6 so answer is it's a 36 centimeter square. Now we have to find out this one. Here it's a equation 1, so from equation 1. So we have the area of segment AXB equals to, so first one it's a pi, so we have to multiply this 3.14 into 12 minus 36, right? First of all we have to simplify this one. 12 fours are 48, carry 4, 12 on the 12 plus 4, that is 16, carry 1, 12 threes are 36 and it's a 37. Okay, after 2-digit decimal, so we are taking decimal, and here it's a 360. So if you want to solve such type of the sum, 37.68, we have the 36, we write the 36 here along with 20, so 8 6 point, it's a 1, so we get it's a 1.68 centimeter square. It's a required answer of area of segment, this one, right? This is all about the first one. You can also find out by another method as well. So you can write here it's a directly area of segment AXB, right, is equal to, we put the value directly here, that is r square common, and inside the bracket it's a pi theta upon 360, right, minus sin theta upon 2. Just put all those values here and you get the value like this. So हमारा जो next question है, which is the, we have the circle, and inside the circle you can see here it's a hexagon. Hexagon is nothing but it's a polygon having the 6 sides, right? So along with we have the radius of the circle, so that is r is nothing but it's a 14 centimeter given, right? And what we have to do, we have to find out that this shaded portion region which is between the circle and the hexagon, right? So we have the value of pi as well given. Pi is nothing but it's a 22/7, and the root 3 value it's a 1.732. Clear? So side of the hexagon is nothing but is equal to the radius, right? centimeter given. So therefore area of hexagon, if you want to find out, right, that is nothing but it's a 6 into root 3 upon 4 into side square, right? This is the formula to find out the area of the hexagon, right? As we know that 6 into root 3 upon 4, side is nothing but it's a 14 centimeter, so we write the 14 and 14 again, right? So we have the, we can divide this, 2 2s are 2 7s, right? 2 1s are 7, so we get 7 7s are 49, 49 into 6 and the root 3. After substituting the value of the root 3 from this, we get the value here, it's a 509.208, it's a centimeter square. Why we are writing? Because it's a area. So after that we have to find out the area of circle, that is nothing but it's a pi r square, right? So pi value we know that it's a 22/7, radius is 14, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Clear? After solving this we get the value centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of the region between circle and hexagon, right? That is nothing but we have area of circle minus area of hexagon, right? We just put the value here. It's a 616 minus 509. So this is the required answer.